say it's not
That you're lying.
Yeah. Let us leave it as it is.
Let us leave it as it is.
Yeah. Because when you say the truth, people they say you're a liar. When you teach them, they don't know, but they don't know that they don't know.
They don't know, but they don't know that they don't know.
Yeah. I don't know what kind of people with Ugandan people. I don't know. If you don't know, you have to know you don't know.
But you don't know,
And
and you don't know that you don't know.
If you don't know and you know, if you don't know, you can learn.
But
you don't know, you know you don't know that you don't know. Aye.
Are you ready to teach the students at home?
For me for now, thank you.
Are you ready to teach the students at home?
That's why I'm sitting here.
Yes, thank you very much.
I want to help this country. The first Uganda. When I finish Uganda, I go to help the Africa, the whole Africa.
We have many types of farming.
Yeah.
We have mulching, we have subsistence farming, we have many. What is mixed farming?
What is mixed farming? Why are you asking this question?
Because the rain is raining. People are just preparing their gardens to...
The problem I have, I don't want to help one person.
You want to help many?
I want to help many.
Don't tell me that you want to come and invest money.
Invest money? If they invest me, and if they are investing me, I'm going to come and teach people how they can grow.
First teach us here.
What is
mixed farming?
Mixed farming. What? You are good in the question. Yeah, to ask the question, you are good.
Thank you very much.
That's why I love you. Because you are good in asking a question.
I'm good
in asking a question, which a question can help so many people. Like the children who were home, who were at school, the universities, those who run agriculture in universities, is going to be gain in this question.
What is mixed farming?
Mixed farming is the growing, or the farmer can growing a crops, and he know these crops I'm growing. My plan is that you first get a plan.
Plan first?
When you get a plan first, and you have a vision, ambition, then you start it. Then mixed farming, you can have a land. First have a land. You cannot dig farming without have a land. The first you get a land. When you get a land,
what is mixed farming?
You sit down and say I'm getting a land.
What is mixed farming?
What crops?
Mixed farming is the process whereby...
listen.
Tell us, that is what we want.
Don't thief the question. Mixed farming is... before you get to mixed farming, you have to first ask your question, your minds. I'm going to enter in the mixed farming. Am I comfortable?